Yo, what's up, guys? It's Big Dog. So today our fucking topic is about the Philippines project flood, big money, and it's all gone. And the a project end up in the water, wash out everything because there's no strong foundation or metal to keep all together. Who did that fucking stupid project, guys? I know they're scared to say something because they just contractor or carpenter, whatever. I understand them. They have family to feed, and the life right now are so hard. So that's why I understand it. But why do you keep doing the fucking wrong way? You know. I know. I'm very sorry in that fucking area who live in there. I'm very sorry in that family, guys. That's why stop saying proud to be Filipino. Fuck that shit. Proud to be blind, to tell the truth, to stop fucking corruption. And you guys keep voting them and voting them. What the fuck? The president gonna steal the money. He get fucking paid big time, guys. All the fucking corruption is surrounding him. You know? Not him. He's fucking addict. He got own world, guys. He don't give a shit for everything. You know? That's why in that fucking corruption project, try to find the main, like for example, sa puno tayo, guys. Ang puno, hanggat di napuputol ang pinakapuno niya, guys, ang base, tutubo at tutubulit yan, guys. Magsasanga yan. Pag pinutol mo lang yung ugat, guys, na pinakadulo pa yung pinutol mo, putang ina, hinuli mo pa yung gagong yan, is useless naman pala. Pagiging continuous din pala ang pagkukurap nila. Kahit putulin nyo yun, guys, ipapard nila, kukulong nila. Kukuha sila ng panibago, guys. Kasi andun pa rin yung main head. Nandun yung base, nakatayo. So, tutubulit yung ugat doon. Dapat yung pinaka-main ang huli natin. Pero yung mga nakaupo, mga sundalo, mga pulis natin, nagbubulag-bulagan kahit alam nilang hindi yun ang pinaka-base ng crime na yun, ng corruption na yun. But everybody knows, I know, you know, na hindi ng pinaka-base, guys. Dapat ang hinuli, ang pinaka-base ng corruption na yun at hindi yung pinaka-end ng root, ng ugat, yung pinakadulo ng ugat. Kasi it's useless eh. Dapat, guys, huliin natin yung pinaka-head. Kung hindi sila papawin ng ganyan, pasukin nyo yung bahay, gaya na ang India, para maramdaman nila kung paano ang pakiramdam